Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Two things I'm totally obsessed with are dark chocolate and coconut, but I'm trying to keep the things that I put in my body to simple ingredients and not too much added sugar, which is why I am completely obsessed with Unreal's coconut bars.
First of all, this fun size is literally perfect for a little snack. It's individually wrapped, so it's great for on the go. And look how beautiful this chocolate is. It's the perfect little size. It is literally two ingredients, chocolate and coconut. Look at that beautiful coconut inside. This is everything I could ask for. It is so delicious and has amazingly simple ingredients.
If you are looking for a delicious treat that you can feel really good about and keep the ingredients super simple, but not sacrifice on taste, you got to check out the Unreal Dark Chocolate Coconut Bars. I love them. They are so delicious, but that's just my point of view.